All right, children, you're still working out of Math Workbook 4A. This is page 120. The directions say list the pairs of parallel lines. So here's where you put your parallel lines down here. Remember, parallel lines, write this down, annotate in your notes. Parallel lines do not touch, okay? Then it says list all the pairs of perpendicular lines. Now, perpendicular lines, they touch only at a right angle. So we have to find some kind of right angle. It can even look like this. Okay, it can look like this. Has to be a right angle. Okay, so let's look, let's look at this one right here. Okay, now, we have, if I look here, I have a line here and a line here. These are parallel. They do not touch. So if they're parallel, I'm going to come down, I'm going to write it here where it says parallel lines. This is x, y. I'm going to write x, y. I'm going to write it's parallel. I put two parallel lines. Then I write the other line. The line is WZ. So I write WZ. Now, if I look at this line, XW, and this line, YZ, are they parallel? No, because look at this. XW is going this way. YZ is going this way. They're not parallel because eventually down here, if I stretch this out, look at this. They're going to cross right here. That means they're not parallel. Okay? Now do you see, are there any perpendicular lines in this shape? I'm looking for right angles again. I think that this and this looks like a right angle. Well, I can test that. I just get a piece of paper. Stick it in the corner. You don't have to have a protractor. Put it in the corner. Fits, right angle. Let me try this side. Fits, right angle. So now I have right here, these are perpendicular. So this is Z to W, W to X. So I write down Z to W, line Z to W is perpendicular, looks like an upside down T, to line WX. WX. Now look at that, the W, that's your vertex right there. Your vertex is in here, all right? Now, I actually have another one. We said this one right here is a right angle. So that means it's perpendicular. So this is WX, line WX to line XY, okay? So now I'm going to write line WX. Line WX is perpendicular to line XY, to line XY. And if I look, there's my vertex. There's my vertex right there, okay? That's what you're looking for. So here, look, are there any of these right angles? Well, I can check it. I don't need a protractor. That won't fit. That fits was way too big. That means it's obtuse. That won't fit. That means it's acute. If I try to line this up like this, look, see? That's obtuse. That's too big. It doesn't fit. None of these are perpendicular, but are they parallel? I see some parallel lines. Line ON is parallel to line LM. This one right here. Line LO is parallel to line MN. Okay? That's what you're looking for over here. Parallel and perpendicular lines. You don't need a protractor to measure. I can stick this paper. There's a right angle, 90 degrees. What about this one? Right angle, 90 degrees. That means that these are perpendicular. They'll go down here, but make sure you write the lines. Line TU is perpendicular to line UV. Here, line KJ is perpendicular to line JI. Okay? All right.